Next, question number 4, number 6. 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222. So these are the terms, and we have to see this one is in AP or not. So what I'll do, second term minus the first term. So what you will get if you do this one? So 0.22, 0.2. 0 will be there, 0.02 is there. Then third term is 0.222 minus second term is 0.22. So now going to subtract this, and you will get 200. That means 0.002 getting. You can see the CD is not same. So that means it is not in AP. If we subtract the third term from the fourth term, then we will get 0.0002. Since CD common difference is not equal, therefore it is not in AP. So number 6 also not in AP. So not in AP means we no need to find out the terms. Next 4 terms, 3 more terms, no need to find out. Then question number 7. 7 is 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12. So minus 4 minus 0, it is minus 4. Then minus 8 minus 4. So this term is negative. So we are doing subtraction. This is subtraction sign. What we are doing, subtracting that one. And number is minus, so another minus have to put. So minus 8 plus 4, and it is minus 4 only. Then minus 12 minus 8. Minus 12 plus 8, that one also minus 4. So same getting. Since CD, first we will let this is in AP, therefore it is in AP, and common difference is what? Minus 4. So 3 more terms we have to find out, and that one will be what? Still 4 term given, 5th term will be there, A5. You can write A4 plus B. A4 is what? Last one is minus 12. Minus 12, then common difference also minus 4, minus 16. Then A6, A5 plus B we can write, minus 16 minus 4, it is minus 20. A7, A6 plus B we can write, minus 20 minus 4, it is minus 24. So these are the terms. Number 8 is number 8. Okay, number 8 also I'll do, because here CD will be 0, minus half, minus half, minus half, minus half, and it is going on. So minus half minus minus half, that means minus half plus half, it is 0. Then third minus second, so this one also similar. 0, fourth minus third, this one also 0. So getting same, that means CD is same, therefore it is in AP. And common difference, you can write D also, CD also. D is normally we denote by D, so write D. D equal to 0. Now it is in AP, so we have to find out 3 more terms. 3 more terms will be what? A5, A4 plus B. So minus half, B is 0 only, minus half only will be there. A6, A5 plus B, here also minus 5 plus 0, that means minus half only. And A7, this one A6 plus B, minus half plus this 0 equal to minus half only. So every number is minus half only because common difference is 0, so same number will be there. I think 9 and 10 is, you can do by yourself, easy only. So I'm going to do number 11. 8 cube a to the power 4. So a square minus a. That means if you take common, this one will be there. A common, a minus 1. Then a cube minus a square. Here common will be a square. This one also a minus 1. Then a to the power 4 minus a cube. Here a cube is common, so a minus 1. So you can say CD is not same. It is not in arithmetic progression AP. Why? Since common difference is not equal. So not in any AP means common difference is not equal. That is the thing. I'm going to number 12 now. Root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32, dot. So second minus first, root 2 minus root 2. Root 8 means what? Root 8 means if we break root 8 like this, that means in prime factorization if I do 3 2's will be there, 2 into 2 into 2, that means 2 square into 2. Under the square root if you write 2 root 2 will be there. So this one 2 root 2 minus root 2. That means root 2 only coming. Now root 18 minus root 8. So if I do prime factorization like before 18, then we will get 3 root 2 and 8 we getting 2 root 2. So from 3 root 2, 2 root 2 is gone means only root 2 left. Then root 32 minus root 18. So root 32 if you break you will get 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2. That means root 2 only you are getting. Therefore it is in AP. So it is in AP means 3 more terms. A5 will be there. A5 means what? A4 plus B. So common difference, it is in AP, therefore common difference we will write here. Common difference is root 2. Now we will put the value. Last one is root 32 is there. Root 32 plus root 2. Root 32 when we break what we have got? 4 root 2. 4 root 2 plus root 2 means it is 5 root 2. This 5 if you take inside the square root, then what will be? 5 square into 2. 5 square means 25 into 2 inside the square root. So root 50 we will get. Root over 50. A6 will be now root 50 plus root 2. Just add. Now root 50 means 5 root 2 we have got, and this one is root 2. So you will get 6 root 2. Now 6 you have to take inside the square root. When you take this inside the square root, it will become square. 6 square into 2 will be there. 6 means 36. 36 into 2 means 72. And A7 will be what? 6 root 2 plus root 2. Before one 6 root 2. So this one 6 root 2 plus root 2 is 7 root 2. And when you take inside the 7 inside the square root, it will be 7 square. So 49 into 2, root 98. So these are the 3 more terms. Okay. Now next one I am going to do, that one is number 13. So number 13, root 3, root 6, root 9 and root 12 is there. So now what we will do, first I'll check root 6 minus root 3. So nothing we can do here because root 6 means root 3 into root 2 you can write, and this one root 3. You can take maximum root 3 common, so root 2 minus 1 will be here. Then root 9 minus root 6. Root 9 means what? 3. 3 minus root 6. No need to take common here. Then root 12 minus root 9. Root 12 means 2 root 3. If you break square root, that means prime factorization if you do 2 6 2 3 2 square is there. 2 square into 3. So 2 square there, inside the square root, if you write outside, 2 root 3 will be there. So this one we can write 2 root 3 minus 9 means 3 only. So common difference is not same. So directly we will write it is not in AP. Number 14. So in number 14, what is there? 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, and going on. 3 square minus 1 square, that means 9 minus 1, 8 getting. Then 5 square minus 3 square, 25 minus 9, 16. Then 7 square minus 5 square, 49 minus 25, it is 24. Same not getting. So therefore it is not in AP. So it is not in AP, no need to find out. Next one. (15) 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, and last one is 73 even, I think, 73. So 5 square minus 1 square, that is 25 minus 1, that is 24. Then 7 square minus 5 square, 49 minus 25, it is also 24. Now 73 minus 7 square, 73 minus 7 square means 49, and here also you will get 24. So therefore it is in AP. Why it is in AP? Because common difference is same, and that one common difference is 24. So now, since it is in AP, we need to find out 3 more terms. A5, A4 plus D. A4 is what? Last term was 73. D is 24. Add them. 7, 9, 97. A6, 97 plus 24. 11, 12, 121. A7, 121 plus 24. 5, 4, 145. So 3 more terms find out. That is finished.